In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily send files from Google Drive as attachments or links in Gmail. This is a handy skill that can streamline your email communication, especially if you're dealing with large files or collaborative documents stored in Google Drive. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make your way over to your computer and open up Gmail. Once you're in your Gmail account, look towards the top left corner for that familiar button labeled Compose. Go ahead and click on it to start crafting a new email. As you set up your email, you'll notice a small toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. Here, you should spot the icon that looks like a triangle, representing Google Drive. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Insert Files Using Drive icon to proceed. Now, a new window will pop up, displaying your Google Drive. Here, you can browse through your folders or use the search bar to quickly locate the file or files you want to share. Take your time to ensure you've selected everything you need. Once you've chosen the files, it's important to determine how you want to send them before inserting them into your email. You have two options. First, there's the Drive link. This is perfect if you're sending a Google Doc, sheet, or slide, or if the file in question is particularly large. The link allows your recipients to open and potentially edit the files directly in Google Drive, which is great for collaborative projects. The second option is to send the file as an attachment. This method attaches the file directly to the email, making it ideal for files in non-Google formats, especially if you want the recipient to have a downloadable version. After making your choice, click Insert to include the files in your email. Don't worry, Gmail will automatically check if your recipients have the necessary permissions to access the files. If they don't, you'll see a prompt asking if you'd like to adjust the sharing settings. Here, you can choose whether the recipients can view, comment, or edit the files, ensuring they have the access level you prefer. Now, it's time to focus on the content of your email. Once you're satisfied with both the message and the attachments or links, take one last look to make sure everything's in place. When everything is set, locate the Send button and give it a click. And that's it. You're done. I hope you found this guide helpful for sending files from Google Drive through Gmail. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your workflow and ensure smooth communications. If you have any questions or if this video helped you, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.